It's Rob and Maria. We had a lot of excitement here today with NVDA. We had given you 2 trades yesterday, if you remember. We had 2 trades, 2 winners. Let's go over slightly what those were. We gave you number 1 was a call debit spread for 1121 DTE. That was to sell a 202 5.5 call and buy a 187.5 call. The other one was trade number 2, which was a buy a 190 call, sell a 205 call. But where is that price now?
Yeah.
Yesterday at close, 186.80. Pre-market now, 196.22.
Nice.
Hopefully it keeps climbing.
Yeah.
That means the long 187.5 call now is deeper in the money. And the short 202.5 call is still out of the money, but closer. We don't have the exact Greeks yet.
Now remember, it is going to be payday this morning, and this is how the profit's going to be moving. Depending on what the price is at the open, look at this. Here's the column that shows you what happens at the open, and this will be the estimated spread. Remember, we paid $409, so if you can get $8+ out of it, that's 100% gain. But time is ticking. You only got 2 trading days left, Thursday and Friday. Volatility will always remain high with NVIDIA, but theta decay is going to really increase. Be careful here. You're going to have high gamma. One bad candle could ruin this trade, so don't get greedy. And you won't get full value unless it's very close to expiration on Friday.
Take your profit off that table. The best move to take your profit at 50 to 80% gain.
Yeah.
If the spread opens between 650 to 1050, close it and pocket that money.
I agree. If the spread opens weak, remember, if the spread opens less than $6, hold it and reassess till midday. Normally, NVIDIA's behavior is they make a strong move in the morning, they're going to pull back or consolidate, and then they make a second move again at 11:30. So watch for this. We've looked at a lot of these prior earnings, and that's where they are. Price levels to watch: 190, good; 195, great; 200, home run.
I think it's at 196, so who knows what's going to happen.
Yeah, it's looking good.
It's looking good.
We got a simple decision plan. Remember that if the spread value at the open is under $5, you want to hold. If it's $6 to $9, you want to take that profit. $9 to $12, take profit immediately. Don't wait. And if it's $12 to $15, sell the entire thing or just sell the long leg. There is a risk reminder here. Look, when to hold for max profit. Only if NVIDIA pushes 200+ before Friday AM. If it starts pushing 200 on Thursday, the momentum is strong, IV is going to contract because it's getting down towards Friday, the value is going to be lifting, then you can trail your exit toward 13 to $15 spread value, and that'll be an out-of-the-park home run.
Sweet, sweet. Monies. Final recommendation, plan to close today, Thursday, if the spread opens strong. 50 to 100% gain, take it. If it opens weak, hold 60 to 90 minutes, see what's going on. NVIDIA often makes a bigger secondary move after the open. That's so true.
That's so true. All right, everything on our website is free. Don't forget our 6 trades a day challenge, where we actually give you 7 trades. I think it's up about 120, 130% rate of return, set September 1st. We don't ask for anything from our channel. The only thing is, if you have any recommendations for videos, please let us know. We understand the production value is bad. We understand the actors and actresses are terrible, but we will get better over time, we promise you. And we hope you have a great trading day. Let's go, NVIDIA.
Go, yeah, NVIDIA. Go, go, go.
We love it.